Hey there. Do you ever feel like your mornings just slip away before you even get started? Imagine this. Every minute you waste in the morning could be the reason your whole day feels off. Let's fix that together. Right now, you might be hitting snooze over and over or scrolling on your phone before you even sit up. I get it. I used to do that too. But what if, instead of feeling rushed and behind, you could wake up feeling calm, ready, and in control? Today, I'll show you how. Here's how you fix it, in 6 simple steps. 1. Wake up at the same time, every day. Your body loves rhythm, and when you wake up at the same time, you feel more awake and less groggy. Second plan, before bed. Write down 1 or 2 things that you want to get done in the morning. No more waking up with no direction. 3. Create a fun habit, a little movement, a quick stretch, journaling, or even a few deep breaths can help you start the day right. 4. Put your phone down. Wait at least a few minutes before grabbing your phone. Let your brain wake up before the world pulls you in. 5. Make a simple schedule. Block out a few minutes for the important stuff and watch how much smoother your morning feels. 6. Reflect. At the end of the morning, take 10 seconds to think, what worked? What can I do better tomorrow? Bonus tip, the 5-second rule. Now, here's a secret weapon for when you feel too tired to even get out of bed. It's called the 5-second rule. When you feel stuck or unmotivated, just count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Stand up, move, take action before your brain talks you out of it. It sounds simple, but it works. I know this struggle because I used to waste my mornings too. I'd hit snooze, rush through the morning, and feel stressed before my day even began. But then, I made a change. I started waking up at the same time, planning ahead, and using the 5-second rule. And guess what? My whole day started feeling different, in the best way. Let's recap. Wake up at the same time. Plan before bed. Create a habit you love. Delay checking your phone. Use a simple schedule. And take a moment to reflect. And don't forget the 5-second rule. Which step do you think will help you the most? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps tomorrow and see how your morning changes. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Thanks for spending these few minutes with me, and here's to a better, brighter morning.